My student has given explanation on when you are old. Hope you all like it.
I am Neha Taj from Commerce. I am going to explain When You Are Old poem. When You Are Old poem is written by W.B. Yeats. William Butler Yeats was born in Dublin in 1865 and died in 1939. He was a great Irish poet. He is considered as one of the great modern poets. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1923. He is one among the great love poets of the world. When You Are Old is W.B. Yeats' memorable poem which deals with the theme of love that is expressed by the poet in a very unique manner. It is said that the great Irish poet W.B. Yeats had immense love for Morgana. She was born in 1866 and died in 1953, who was equally active in native politics, and she was an actress. Several times the poet expressed his love for her, but he always met with rejection. In the first stanza, when you are old and grey and full of sleep, and nodding by the fire, take down this book, and slowly read and dream of soft look your eyes had once and of their shadows deep. In the above lines, the poet addresses his beloved that she should take down this book and read it slowly. When she grows old, her hairs become grey and she sits by the fire feeling sleepy and nodding on some wintry evening. He further suggests to his beloved that after going through the pages of book of poems, she should recollect as if in a dream that her eyes once had the soft look and her eyes were deep and shadowy. It means she had very beautiful eyes. The word which is used as nodding shows aging effect of the old age. It also creates a beautiful imaginary. In the second stanza, how many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. In the above lines, the poet suggests to her to analyze as to how many of the young men loved her truly or falsely. After a deep consideration, it has left the earthly surrounding and fled by pacing upon the mountains. It has hid his face amid the crowd of stars. Here it means that by presenting the pictures of love disappearing from the earth, the poet means to make his beloved realize that his love for her is true. If she did not accept his love, then in the course of life she would repent and feel regret for rejecting her true lover. And she would be sitting alone by the fireside thinking how her glory of youthful days fled, and how she proved herself foolish by not accepting her true lover. That would be as impossible to retrieve as are stars to be plucked down from the sky. The moral of the story is, most of them runs behind physical beauty, not behind the pure pilgrim soul. Very rare will be true with their love, not all. I am Neha Taj of 2nd PU. I acknowledge my heartfelt gratitude to my ma'am Arshia Tabassum, who is always motivating us towards great creativity and inspiring towards success. It was highly difficult to complete this task without her help. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind help. Thank you for all.